Hi guys, I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel, and I created this makeup look for Eid. So if you guys are excited for this look, let's get started with it. So I'm going to start off this makeup by using a primer, and this is the one by PAC, and as usual I'm applying this all over my face and massaging it well. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using the middle shade from the PAC Eyebrow Defining kit and filling in all the sparse areas in my brows and setting my brows with a spoolie. For foundation, I'm going to go ahead with the Makeup Forever HD foundation and applying this all over my face, and I'm going in with a full coverage foundation today. It's up to you if you want to go for a light coverage foundation. For concealer, I'm going to go ahead with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and apply it on my, underneath my eyes and other areas wherever I feel like highlighting and brightening my face. And I'm blending this using a beauty sponge. For powder, I'm using the loose powder by Maybelline Fit Me and applying it on the areas wherever I applied the concealer. The concealer was a little bit heavy, so that's why it's essential to use a loose powder. And for bronzer, I'm using my favorite NYX Matte Bronzer and applying it on the hollows of my cheekbones, my jawline, and also on my forehead. And also applying some on my nose. Now I'm carving out my cheekbones using some loose powder and letting it stay on my skin. Moving on to the eyes, I'm applying a concealer first. This is going to work as an eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be using this very bright teal shade and applying this all over my lid using my ring finger, and this color matches perfectly with the color of my suit. So yeah, I'm going to be using a flat shader brush now to blend the edges of this shade. Then I'm going to go ahead with a slightly lighter teal shade as compared to the previous one and applying it on my crease so that everything looks nice and soft and well blended. And I'm also be applying the same color on my lower lash line. Applying the previous teal shade all over my lid. And now I am applying this very sparkly off-white shade just on the center of my lid. For my lower waterline, I'm applying this silver eye pencil. For my lashes, I'm using the Total Temptation Mascara by Maybelline and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. And I will also be wearing falsies. These are the ones by Arte. Dusting off the excess loose powder now, and I'm also blending my contour a little bit. For blush, I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Lip and Cheek Stain, and I'm using a stippling brush to apply this one. And I'm going to be using the third shade from my Sivanna Shimmer Brick palette and applying this highlighter on all high points of my face. I'm going full glam today, and that's why I'm applying a little bit bolder color. This is the one by Maybelline in the shade Artist. If you want, you can also go for a lighter color. Setting my makeup with a finishing mist and adding this sparkly shade on my tear duct area and also on my brow bone. And that is my final look, you guys, and you can actually try out the same steps I used in this video and experiment the look with any other eyeshadow matching with your outfit and achieve the same result. And yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, learned something new. And please make sure that you hit the like button, share this video with all your friends, and if you happen to recreate this look, wear it on Eid, then don't forget to tag me in your pictures. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys super duper soon. I love you all so much. Bye.